How to fix Temu app verification puzzle problem. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Temu application while doing verification puzzle on your app. So I'm going to provide you very basic troubleshooting steps. First things first is while doing the verification process, ensure that you have stable internet network, or if you're using mobile hotspot or mobile data, make sure that you have enough megabytes for you to be able to run the verification process smoothly without interrupting it. Next thing that you want to do is to go ahead and try and update the application by going into Google Play Store or any app store available or that you used. Make sure that the update button here is not visible. If it is, just simply update it and try to see if it works. Next thing you want to do is to clear cache from the application by tapping and holding on the Temu app, then hitting on the eye icon that will redirect you into app info. In here, scroll down and then go to storage, and then from the right side, lower right, choose on clear cache. And those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix Temu app verification puzzle problem.